The Milwaukee M12 fuel low-speed tire buffer is definitely a top-performing tool. Power is great. The runtime is excellent. We haven't gone back to pneumatic tools since the introduction of the M12.
The Milwaukee M12 tire buffer allows us to get the job done more efficiently, not relying on air hoses, more consistent on our buffing, saves us time and money. The low speed enables you to not over buff the inner line of the tire.
Having the drilling speed at a lower speed helps also because if it's going too fast, it can heat the hole up too much and cause damage to the tire.
With the quick lock coupler, you can just switch tools in and out. Saves us a lot of time.
They can get a lot of repairs done on a single charge of a battery, whether it's a tractor tire, semi-tire, car tire. The batteries last a very long time.
The M12 tire buffer is definitely a heavy-duty tool for a heavy-duty industry like tire work.